You don't need a fortune to be ready for the unexpected. Real survival isn't about how much you spend, it's about how well you prepare. Whether you're heading off-grid, exploring the outdoors, or simply want to stay ready for emergencies, having the right gear can make all the difference. Stick around as we reveal the essential budget-friendly gear. From multi-tools to fire starters and more, each gadget is hand-picked to help you face whatever comes your way. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. WORKPRO Axe and Knife Combo. Just imagine venturing into the wilderness with the thrill of adventure at your fingertips. This durable axe and knife set promises unmatched strength and accuracy because it is made of full-tang stainless steel and has polished wooden handles. Every swing and chop feels effortless thanks to the non-slip design and ergonomic grip. They are always available due to their belt loops and protective sheaths, which increases the safety, ease, and satisfaction of survival activities like hiking and outdoor camping. Number 14. Wazoo Fire Starter Necklace. A single spark easily ignites your fire when the wind bites or the storm rages. This pendant, which is handcrafted from sturdy materials and features leather knots that can be adjusted, strikes a balance between functionality and tough style. It is portable and lightweight, providing dependability on any journey. More than just a survival tool, it's a friend that gives you warmth and confidence, whether you're exploring the city or deep in the woods. Number 13. Emergency Survival Whistle. Carry a tiny alarm that feels like a guardian. Solid titanium keeps it feather light yet tough, and its square body won't roll away in a crisis. This whistle lets out an ear-splitting 120 decibel blast that cuts through wind and distance. Waterproof and corrosion-proof, it hangs on a bead chain for instant access, ready to call help, ease panic, and steady your breath in moments that matter. Number 12. TRAILGO Mini-Water-Filter. Put this portable purifier in your backpack and drink from any stream with assurance. A stainless steel piston ensures a quick 1.2 liter per minute flow, so you're never left waiting, and 5 filtration layers and a sturdy all-metal construction transform murky water into clear, safe sips. On the trail, it feels like a tiny miracle because it is sturdy, lightweight, and prepared for any emergency or backcountry situation. Number 11. Survival Shelter. After the weather shifts and uncertainty creeps in, this compact shelter becomes your haven. With durable, tear-resistant mylar, it reflects body heat, keeping you warm while shielding you from wind and rain. The innovative doors offer easy access, and its lightweight design fits into any survival kit. In just minutes, you're set up and protected, ready for whatever the elements throw your way, with reassurance in every corner. Number 10. Tac-Force Pocket Knife. Picture yourself grabbing a small folder that opens with a flick, the 3.25-inch blade that is partially serrated cutting straight through webbing and rope. The pocket clip and liner lock keep it in place, and the camo aluminum handle feels balanced in your hand. It's prepared for rescues, trails, or daily repairs thanks to its finger flipper, glass punch, and bottle opener. It's dependable, efficient, and subtly comforting during stressful situations. Number 9. Thrive Travel Mini First Aid Kit. Tucked into your bag, this compact first aid kit becomes your silent guardian on every adventure. With 66 pieces carefully selected for minor injuries, it's ready for anything from hiking trails to busy campuses. Crafted from durable, waterproof material, it's built to endure, offering reassurance wherever you go. Lightweight and easy to store, it ensures you're always prepared, turning unexpected moments into manageable ones without taking up valuable space. Number 8. LED Camping Lantern. When the darkness falls, this lantern becomes your guiding light. With adjustable brightness up to 1000 lumens, it lights up your space for reading or illuminating your entire campsite. Choose from 4 light modes to set the perfect atmosphere, and trust its long-lasting battery life to keep you going for hours. Waterproof and designed to endure the elements, it's ready for adventure, offering dependable, versatile lighting whether you're camping or facing a power outage. Number 7. Emergency Glow Sticks. In moments of darkness or emergency, these glow sticks shine bright, offering 12 hours of steady, 360-degree light. Designed to endure, they're waterproof, non-toxic, and built with industrial-grade materials, ensuring reliability in any situation. Whether you're camping, fishing, or facing an unexpected outage, their durability and brightness make them a must-have for safety and preparedness. Compact and easy to store, they'll always be ready when you need them most. Number 6. Grappling Hook. When climbing cliffs or traversing rough terrain, this foldable grappling hook is your reliable ally. Made from high-quality manganese steel, it has non-slip saw teeth and reinforced claws for a firm grip and can confidently support up to 1,102 pounds. From scaling trees and rocks to conducting rescue operations, this foldable and portable device is prepared for any outdoor task. Every adventure becomes a safe, empowering, and exhilarating experience thanks to its durability, waterproofness, and dependability. Number 5. Coleman Insect Repellent. As you venture into the wild, the last thing you need is to be swarmed by insects. With 100% DEET, this repellent keeps mosquitoes, ticks, and more away for up to 10 hours, even in humid or wet conditions. Its continuous spray bottle offers easy, even coverage from any angle, ensuring you stay protected while enjoying every moment outdoors without the worry of bites or discomfort. Number 4. Lixada Wood Stove. This small stove is ideal for cooking outdoors and is prepared for any outdoor situation. It doesn't weigh you down because it folds up small and weighs only 12.6 ounces. It is made to last because stainless steel is strong and resistant to rust. To cook quickly and effectively, just gather leaves and twigs to feed your fire. It's the best tool for camping, hiking, and all of your outdoor adventures because it's simple to set up and performs dependably. Number 3. Car Emergency Kit. Be ready for any unexpected breakdown with this all-in-one emergency kit. Packed with essential tools like jumper cables, a portable air compressor, and a first aid kit, it's designed to handle roadside emergencies year-round. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your trunk, ensuring you're always prepared. This kit offers peace of mind, keeping you safe during every drive, no matter the season. Number 2. Nordic Pocket Saw. In the heart of the wild, this compact saw becomes your lifeline. Weighing less than a keychain, it's easy to carry, whether in your backpack or glove box. With bi-directional teeth, it effortlessly slices through logs up to 18 inches thick, making firewood prep or trail clearing a breeze. Quick to sharpen and durable, it ensures you're always ready for the unexpected, transforming any outdoor challenge into a manageable task. Number 1. GIRIAITUS Multitool. Feel prepared for anything by keeping this lifesaver in your pack. A sturdy stainless steel tool for emergency fires, it folds up to include an axe, hammer, pliers, saw, and screwdrivers. Use it to repair a damaged tent, light a campfire, or open a cold beverage after a long day. It is kept close and secure by a nylon sheath. Compact, quiet, and dependable. That's it for this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more interesting survival gadgets, camping gear, and tactical tools every day. And if you know someone who loves the outdoors or is building their bug-out bag, share this video to help them stay prepared too. Thanks for watching.